Welcome to another quick review from Ultimate DIY, and today we're going to look at this really cool power bank. This is made by PowerGo. The 5000 that you see in the bottom, that's telling you how many milliamps this thing actually will put out. The model number on this is the T162CP. The reason I picked this one is because it's really cool. I don't have to have a cord, plug this in and plug it into a charger. It just plugs directly into an outlet and will start charging. Not only that, while it's charging, I can actually have the cord running from this to whatever it is I'm trying to power, like say this iPad here or an iPhone or anything like a Samsung phone, anything that is working on a Type-C charger. I can do it at the same time. So I haven't opened this up yet, guys, to see just how it looks. I kind of saved that just for you guys so we can see it at the same time. Let's go ahead and open it up, and then we're going to see if it will actually charge this iPad, because this is the new iPad with a Type-C charger. We're going to see how it works. Set that aside, and by the way, that's why the cord is up here on the actual table, so we can plug it right in and you can see what it looks like. All right. Has a little plastic piece there. We got that off. Open it up. Pretty simple. I can see the little plastic sleeve in it that it's all setting in. You've got an instruction manual that's kind of back here that will walk you through what you need to do. All right, this is the unit. Now, it is going to have a cable run from here to here, or it has one already built in right here, which is kind of cool. So, and this is where your plug comes out. So what we are going to try to do, let's see if there's a power button. Yes, there is a power button, and it comes from the factory at 82% charged. I don't know if you can see that, but it actually has a little LED readout right at the top. So I'm assuming, without reading the instructions though, this back will also be able to put a cord on it if you need to, if you don't want to use the built-in one. So that way it would actually work with other things as well. Let's see how this plugs in. I'm going to take it and I'm just going to plug it right here in the center. There we go. Now I can see it's automatically starting to change. It's flashing, so this unit itself is charging. Now that would be there. Let's go ahead and unplug it so we know how that works. Now I can do both at the same time, but I think it's going to be easier to show you guys if I just take and plug this in. So here is my iPad. Plug it in just like that, and now if you look, the little light on it has gone green, so it is now charging the iPad. So, and I wonder if it does not really tell me the percentage of the iPad, but it starts charging. And this thing is flexible, so it can kind of set right here off to the side. Let me close that. There we go. So it can set like that. Can't really stand, so it would just be just like that there. All right, guys, so that is actually charging up. Works very well. Now, when I said that you can plug this in and plug it into your device, that actually in reality works just like a regular wall charger. So it will double as a wall charger. It will double as a portable charger where you can have it as a power bank and carry it around. And this other one here is a C connector so that you can actually connect another device. So you could literally be charging this unit and charge another unit at the same time. And you could have it plugged in so that you're actually recharging your battery bank at the same time. So there's an awful lot that this can do. I do like the little carrying strap so that you can carry it, or you can strap it into a duffel bag or a, backpack, briefcase, whatever it is that you're carrying. I mean, it has a nice feel to it, not too big, not too small. Overall, a pretty nice unit. Now, also keep in mind, this comes in like 3 different colors, I believe. It has a pink, it has another one that's more of a beige color, and then it has this black and silver. So you can pick the color that you actually like. So guys, if I was going to rate this on a scale of 1 to 5, I would have to give it a 5 because I can't find anything really wrong with it. All I can find is really cool things I can do with it. So do yourself a favor, pick yourself up one today. I don't think you'll regret it. And we will see you guys on the next review.